Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool puzzle animation on CapCut PC. So first go to mask and select circle and just adjust it like so, maybe like this much, and then I'm just going to right click, copy, right click. Actually I need to have one without the mask, I think. Let's see, just copy and paste. And on this one I'm going to add in the circle mask, but I'm going to select it and rotate it this way. So wait, let me just go back and rotate it this way. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, go to mask again, and then make it smaller than the original one, and then I'm going to rotate it again. Then I'm going to copy and paste it and then make the mask smaller once again, and then I'm going to rotate it, and then I'm going to, I think I might do another one or just leave it like that. Then I'm going to put them in their positions. So on the first mask, which is this one, I'm going to add, so go back to basic, I'm going to add a keyframe here, then like kind of in the middle or like at the end. It's totally up to you where you want to place the placement, I guess. So here, maybe like here actually, I'm going to rotate it like the normal way again, and then on this one as well. So oops, we're going to add a keyframe here, and then on this placement we are going to rotate the image back, and also here I'm going to do the exact same thing, add a keyframe, and then I'm going to add another keyframe here, and I'm going to rotate her back to the original position, so it's going to look like this once you're finished. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!